today I'm going to show you how to make acrylic nail extensions, which was done by my favorite nail tech. According to her, this is the combination of the standard training they had within the company, what she learned among the pool of videos she watched. She combined this to formulate a shortcut. So if you're interested in having a nail spa business in the future or just simply wants to become a nail tech, tune in. This is the step 1 to 8 process and the materials to be used aside from the usual materials you use for gel mani.
Nail former, acrylic brush, liquid monomer, acrylic powder, nail file, nail dehydrant. Step 1. Put nail formers in each finger until you finish the 10. Step 2. Dip the brush into the liquid monomer and use this to collect the acrylic powder. Use the grid lines of the nail formers to measure the length of the nail extensions.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Step 3. Remove all nail formers. Step 4. Shape the nails using a nail file.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
Step 5. Smoothen by buffing.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
How it looks like after buffing. Step 6. Apply the base coat.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up.
Step 7. Apply the first coat.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
Apply the second coat.
Open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Apply the third coat before applying the top coat. Step 8. Apply oil at the proximal nail fold and massage each finger. This is now the finished product.